Founded in 2009, Mingfa Tech is a high-tech company with more than 10 years of experience, specializing in LED small solution. Practicing the greater mission of leading the development of the lighting industry through cooling technology services. Adhering to the cultural values of customer value orientation, service, speed, synergy, innovation, entrepreneurship, sharing, we provide exceptional LED small management services and technical support, develop and produce standard heat sinks and customized heat sinks for high-end commercial LED lighting manufacturers. At present, 9 series of standard heat dissipation products have been launched, including Fine LED, X-LED, Blue LED, all of which are with domestic and foreign patents. Mingfa Tech plays a important role in the high-end commercial lighting market, recognized by the first-rate international LED brands such as Exegato, Bridgelux, Lumi LEDs, Luminous, Seoul Semiconductor, LG, Enotech, etc. We, as an LED lighting small solutions provider, have accumulated extensively brand visibility in the international market.
Mingfa Tech has been focusing on LED thermal solution over 10 years. We will be leading the development of the lighting industry through our professional cooling technology services.